morning students, today is day 13. The next topic is, this is very interesting topic, some important results on the number of elements in set. So there are basically some formulas. The first formula is number of elements in A union B. Now the formula of an A union B is number of elements in A plus number of elements in B minus number of elements in A intersection B. Second formula, number of elements A union B. The second formula is number of elements A in and number of elements in B. This is another formula. We use this formula when A, B are disjoint sets. Now what is a disjoint sets? Means when there is no common element between the two sets, we call that sets are disjoint sets. So when the two sets are disjoint, we use formula A union B equals to NA plus NB. But when the sets are not disjoint, means whenever there is some common elements between the two sets, so we use N A union B equals to NA plus NB minus NA intersection B. So basically there are two formulas of number of elements in A union B. After then the third, NA minus B, number of elements in A minus B. It means the first element NA minus intersection of both. Fourth, and B minus A. B minus number of elements in B minus A means the formula is the first element minus intersection of both. So the last is De Morgan's law. So basically there are two formulas in De Morgan's law. The first formula is A union B complement. A union B complement means A complement intersection B complement. Remember, this is very important. The second formula of De Morgan's law, A intersection B complement. A intersection union B. A union B complements A complement. Just change the sign. Union will change to intersection B complement. In this case, the intersection will change to union. So basically these are the formulas, and now we will do some questions related to this. Now the first question is Nx equals to 17 and y equals to 23 and x intersection y equals to 38. Sorry, union equals to 38. We have to find nx intersection y. So we apply the formula. Solution. We know the formula of union of two sets is the number of elements in two sets is union the number of elements in x plus number of elements in y minus the number of elements in x intersection y. Now what is x union y? 38. What is nx? 17. What is ny? 23 minus x intersection y. So 38 equals to, now 17 plus 23, 40 minus x intersection y. Now 30 minus 40 minus nx intersection y. 30 minus 40, 38 minus 40 minus 2 minus nx intersection y. So minus minus cancel. So the value of number of elements in x intersection y is 2. So basically we have to use the formulas of number of elements in union of two sets. So union, the formula of union is number of elements in x plus number of elements in y minus number of elements in x intersection y. So just put the values, finally we get the value of x intersection y. Now we shift to the second question. Second question is number of elements in X 45, number of elements in X union Y 76, the number of elements in X intersection Y 12. Find number of elements in Y. So just write down the formula X union Y. Number of elements in X plus number of elements in Y, number of elements in X intersection Y. So union means 76, number of elements in X 45, number of elements in Y, we have to find the value, minus intersection 12. So 76 equals to 45 minus 12, 33 plus n intersection Y. So 76 minus 33 equals to n intersection Y. So the answer is 43. So the number of elements in Y is 43. So the third question is number of elements in A 17, number of elements in B 23, number of elements in A union B 38, number of elements A interaction B 22. So the question, all these terms are given. We have to find n A minus B and B minus A. So we know the formula of n A minus B is n A minus n A intersection B. The formula of n B minus A is n B minus B intersection A. So the first question, n A minus B. The formula is n A minus n A intersection B. Now what is n A? What is the value of n A? 17. Intersection B is 2. So the answer is 15. Second question, we have to find the value of B minus A. So NB minus NA intersection B. So what is the value of NB? 23 minus intersection. The value of intersection is 2. So the answer is 24. Fourth question is, this is a sign of universal set. So number of elements in universal set is 700. Number of elements in A is 200. Number of elements in B is 300. Number of elements in A intersection B is 100. We have to find the value of A complement intersection B complement. Just remember De Morgan's law. Now what is De Morgan's law? The formula of this is A union B complement. Please remember this formula. A complement, this is the De Morgan's law, second law of De Morgan's law. A intersection, A complement intersection B complement equals to A union B complement. Now remember another formula. The formula of this A union B complement. Whenever there is a complement of any set, we can write A union B complement is universal set minus A union B. So this is the formula of A union B complement. So what is universal set? 700 minus. Now what is the formula of A union B is? NA plus NB minus NA intersection B. So 700 minus, what is NA? 200. What is NB? 300 minus N intersection B. 100. So 700 minus 200 plus 300, 500, 500 minus 100, 400, which is equals to 300. So remember, this is De Morgan's law, second law. A intersection, A complement intersection B complement equals to A union B complement. Now the another formula of A union B complement is universal minus union of two sets. So the sixth question, this is very interesting question. In a survey of 700 students, survey means universal, the total 700 students, 180 drink Limca. So the number of persons drinking Limca 180. 275 drink Pepsi. The number of persons drinking Pepsi 275. The both Limca and Pepsi intersection. The person drinking both Limca and Pepsi. So use the sign of intersection is 95. Now we have to find how many students were drinking neither Limca nor Pepsi. We have to find the students who were neither drinking Limca nor Pepsi. It means we have to find n. It means neither Limca nor Pepsi. Not means complement. Not Limca, not Pepsi. So again through De Morgan's second law, the formula of this is N L union P complement. So now again the formula of this is universal minus union of both sets. Now what is the value of universal? 700 minus union of the formula of union of two sets is number of elements in L, number of persons drinking Pepsi minus number of elements both. So put the values 700 minus what is the value of L? Limca 180 plus 275 minus both 95. So the value is 700 minus 360. So the final answer is 340. So just remember, if the statement comes in the form of how many students were drinking neither Limca nor Pepsi, we can write in the complement form as number of elements not Limca nor Pepsi. So the formula through the De Morgan's law is union of complement of the union of two sets. Further, the formula of L union P complement is universal minus the union of two sets. So please just remember these formulas, especially the De Morgan's law. So one more thing to be remembered. In this question we use three formulas. The first formula of De Morgan's law. This is the De Morgan's law. Again, the complement of union of two sets. The formula is this. The third one, the union of two, this. So we use three formulas.